Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a card making video for cards for Cubs. And today is a birthday card. I have registered for Cards for Cubs. Please follow the hashtag to check out more cards. Sending cards to kids in foster care. So this is something that is dear to my heart, and I almost did not make this deadline, and I am so glad that I'm able to make this for you, make a video. Please check them out. If you're a fast card maker or if you have cards laying around, please go to Cards for Cubs, and I believe it's .com. If not, I will link it below, because that way you can join in as well. You have until the 31st. I'm so sorry, you guys, but I almost didn't make it. I'm pulling an all-nighter to get these 10 cards done and sent out with. And I was made aware about this through Mommy and Me Crafts, who is Patty here on YouTube. I will have her linked below, so you could check her out there. So let's go ahead and do this. I've already glued these on already, so just to make time, because I knew I was going to talk a lot. I have all my pieces here, and you will not see me make 10 cards here on this video. It's just the one, and I have all my pieces all ready to go. Also my foam. So this is a silhouette cut file. I will have that linked below as well. Patty made it so easy for us that she made it seem like, you know, you could send any card you'd like. And at first I was thinking, oh no, the way I sew and the way I do things, that's not gonna happen for me. I won't be able to meet this deadline. But she posted a very simple card recently, and it just shone light to my fears of not meeting that deadline. And so she made it seem so easy. And so this is what I'm doing. I'm doing an easy card that I already had in my library, and I just chose this one. You're supposed to send out either birthday cards or encouragement cards. That's what they prefer. So I chose the birthday one. I thought it was fun. So let's go ahead and get started. This is one of those easel cards, and this you can make by hand, but if you don't want to do that, you are able to use a cut file. So this is what it looks like, and then there's going to be two-tiered birthday cake here with a sentiment, and that's all it is. That's all it is, you guys. So easy, and let's get started. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to lay this down right here, and let's go ahead and do that with some glue. And you could use any type of glue you like. I just chose this one. I need to finish it off, but you guys, I think it's my favorite glue, really. I really love this glue. It's almost finished. Okay, so got that down. And let's go ahead and place it right here. I have to make sure I'm setting it right. And there it is. You know what I like about this glue is that it doesn't warp, and it's one of those old glues. I wish I knew the name. Let me see. I'm so bad with names, so I threw it away. I threw it away, you guys. I will have it linked below. Okay, so let's start off with that. And then the balloon as well. I've already put my foam adhesive there, so all I have to do is just peel it out or off. And I love the balloon color choice that I chose. The pastels are so cute. I am using the Garden Party papers, and I love the papers. Wait, is this one Garden Party? No. No, this is not Garden Party. This is Sweet Story. What am I talking about? I think because I've been using Garden Party so much. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but there are score lines there, and I'm going to put this one down first. So that would go there, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to about 1/8 right there, so I know how much glue to add. So it's about 1/8, and right That looks right about right. It was so hard for me not to sew or do some stitching on this or crocheting or something extra. And I had to say, no, it's okay. It's okay, Veronica. It's okay. We can do this. We can be simple. Okay, the next one is about 1/2 inch, so I'm gonna put it around there. 1/2 inch, okay. So not too much glue on this one. I love that it's double-sided, and just gotta add that there. So I'm not a card maker. I used to do cards way back when, before YouTube, like, I don't know, about 13 years ago. I used to watch card making videos all the time and make my own cards. I thought I was so good at card making, and I wasn't. I still have them. They're in my garage somewhere. And I thought I was such a good card crafter. But when you pull them out years later, it doesn't seem to be. Okay, so I'm liking this, and so now let's fold these down. I'm gonna do it slowly because there we go. It's forming now. I love this. It's such a simple card, but I love it for kids. Oh my goodness. I would do so much here if I had the time. I would make it look so beautiful, but I can only do my best. Okay, there we go. So this is how it works for me. Let's go ahead and crease those those creases. And then right here, I want to go over the balloon. Okay, so I love it. Look at that cake. Isn't it beautiful? I love it already. Okay, so let's glue these down. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue here. So card making does have a place in my heart as well. I do like making cards, and it just takes so long, so I don't do it. I put all my energy in paper crafting now. Look at, that's what it looks like. I need to have a card available to send out, so I will be making lots of cards, lots of birthday cards, thank you cards, and get well soon cards. So I'm gonna put these right here. It says sweet birthday wishes, and this also comes in the kit, or the file, I should say. Okay, so this is what I do. I cut my double-sided adhesive. I'm just gonna place it there and peel off the back and place it at the very bottom of the card. Real quick here, I know most of you won't be able to join this Cards for Cubs. However, check them out so you could do so next year. What my extraness is going to be here, since I can't stitch, well, I could stitch, but I won't do it this time because I got lots of cards, is I have this sequence here. And you already know what we're gonna do with that, right? I'm going to glue it to the card. There it is, the card, you guys. I will bring out all of the other cards, clean up here, and show you. Oh, let me do that now. Let me show you how I'm going to send it. Envelope. Here is the envelope. I'm going to put the envelope right under the card. Grabbing this bag. So they're all gonna be individually bagged because I want it to look very professional, well made, like I said, good vibes, love, kindness, and happiness, right in one card. There we are, you guys, there we are. The bag is just slightly bigger than, yeah, slightly bigger than the card, so it's fine. It'll be fine. It's fine. Okay, there it is. Let me bring them all out and then we'll wrap it. Here they are, you guys. We have all the cards here and they turned out amazing. So I don't have time to wrap these, but they will be in the envelope and out the door today. If you stayed this long, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.